Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adalbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Following the brutal killing of 46 Assam Rifles commanding officer Colonel Viplav Tripathi, his family members and 5 other personnel in an ambush in Manipur on November 13, 2021, the National Investigation Agency NIA on Thursday announced a cash reward for information of importance on 10 militants of People's Liberation Army PLA and Manipur Naga People's Front MNPF involved in the attack. The Kamrup police on Thursday seized 3 trucks loaded with 87 cattle near the National Highway. A police source informed that the 3 trucks were intercepted based on specific inputs about the movement of vehicles with illegally loaded cattle. On intercepting the trucks, the police found 87 bovine cattle heads. The occupants of the trucks, on being asked about the documents, could not provide any valid papers. The occupants were detained and investigation has been initiated by the police. The police source further informed that the vehicles were heading to Meghalaya from Tezpur. Moving on, the prime accused and conspirator of the Bulli Bai app case has reached Delhi with a special police team that arrested him from Jorhat in Assam. The main conspirator, Neeraj Bishnoi, was arrested by the IFSO team of the Delhi police on Thursday. 20-year-old Neeraj Bishnoi is a resident of the Digambar area in Assam's Jorhat. He is a BTech student at the Vellore Institute of Technology in Bhopal. Photos of hundreds of Muslim women were uploaded on an app called Bulli Bai, following which many took to social media to complain to the police. Taking to Twitter, a journalist who was one of the women named in the app claimed that a group called Bulli Bai was created like Sulli Deals on GIT Hub, which would collect photos of Muslim women from the social media accounts and encourage people to participate in their auction. A suspected drug peddler who was also wanted in several dacoity cases was injured after he was shot at by police while attempting to evade arrest in Assam's Nowgong district, a senior officer said on Thursday. The accused, also wanted in at least 3 dacoity cases, was planning to carry out a drug deal. The officer also said that the accused right now is undergoing treatment at the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. A militant of the band NSCNR was arrested from Changlang district of Arunachal Pradesh with arms and ammunition, police said on Thursday. Self-styled Lieutenant Salhab Jugli, alias Salnang, age 46, was apprehended during a joint operation by Assam Rifles and police from Jongsum village in Kantang Circle on Tuesday. An Italy-made pistol along with 6 rounds of live ammunition was seized from him. The militant was actively involved in forceful extortion in the district. Another member of the militant group, identified as self-styled Private Bansam Hangpok, age 33, surrendered before the security forces on Wednesday. Few MLAs of the opposition CPIM are in touch with the ruling BJP in Tripura. This was claimed by Tripura Minister and BJP leader Sushanta Chaudhary on Thursday. Chaudhary said that the popularity of PM Narendra Modi in Tripura is on the rise. He alleged that the CPIM MLAs who are in touch with the BJP are not happy with its leaders and former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar. Chaudhary's claim came after former Tripura CM and CPIM stalwart Manik Sarkar accused PM Modi of delivering a misleading speech during January 4 visit to the state. The Punjab government on Thursday constituted a 2-member high-level committee to conduct a thorough probe into lapses during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Firozpur. The committee, which will submit its report within 3 days, comprises Justice retired Mehtab Singh Gill and Principal Secretary, Home Affairs and Justice Anurag Verma. Meanwhile, Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has denied any security lapse or any political motive behind it and said his government is ready for an inquiry. The incident triggered a major political row with the BJP alleging that the ruling Congress in Punjab tried to physically harm the Prime Minister, while other parties too attacked the state government over the law and order issue. As many as 125 passengers of an international chartered flight from Italy have tested COVID-19 positive at the Amritsar airport in Punjab. Samples of the passengers was tested at the Amritsar airport upon arrival on Thursday. There was a total of 179 passengers on the flight, out of which 125 have been tested positive for COVID-19. All the COVID-19 positive passengers have been directly shifted to COVID isolation centers from the airport. Thank you for listening to Hub Podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublesh Shibon, Mithela.